Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain de Broglie's wave. Friend, we know Louis de Broglie in 1923 suggested that the matter is a made up of large number of particles, behaves as a wave under the proper conditions. De Broglie assumed that any moving particle is associated with wave. A similar manner, a photon is a particle of light. Again, another example is that the electrons are the particles which have charge, mass and energy. When the electrons get reflected by an object, we get the wave nature of electron. Uh, now, uh, the the photon of light of frequency nu has momentum p is equal to h nu upon c, which can be expressed in terms of suppose wavelength lambda. Therefore, p is equal to h by lambda, since c is equal to nu lambda, where lambda, therefore lambda is equal to h upon p. This is the de Broglie's wavelength. We know de Broglie's matter wave. Matter wave means de Broglie proved that any moving particle it associated with a wave, means the lambda is the wavelength, it is the characteristic, or it can calculate only for the wave nature, or it is the wavelength of one wave, and p is the momentum, this is characteristics for the particle natures, means for particle it have the mass, therefore you can calculate the momentum. Okay, this equation can applied for particles as well as photon is one of the particle also. Okay, now moving particle is associated with wave. Okay, now the momentum of particles of mass m and velocity v is equal to p is equal to mv. The de Broglie's wavelength lambda is equal to h upon mv. Here the small m is the mass, but it is the relativistic mass, where the mass is very small and electrons or any small particles is moving high velocity, means is near to the velocity of light, therefore the mass can change, that is called relativistic mass. That is m is equal to m0 upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square. M0 is called rest mass, it's called rest mass. Now what is the wave function? This is one of the interesting. Okay, we know in a sound waves the quantity that varies the periodically is the pressure, means that the pressure is changed in a sound waves, therefore sound waves are travelling from one position to another position. In same manner the light waves are created due to the electric and magnetic fields are vary. Okay, but what is the variation in the case of de Broglie's wave? This is one of the question mark. Okay, now what quantities vary? The variable quantity which is characterized the de Broglie's wave is called a wave function, and it is denoted by psi. This psi, okay, psi is the wave function. The value of this wave function associated with moving body at a particular point, suppose the x coordinate, y coordinate and z, okay, in space at a time t, it related to finding the body at that time. Now, what is the physical significance of this wave function psi? Friend, there is no direct physical significance of wave function psi, but the probability of finding the particle in extremely small volume around a point at a given instant is given or is called probability density. Means suppose any particle is located at a particular point, their volume suppose you calculate by using x, y, z coordinate and at particular time t. Okay, that is the probability density of the particles. Though the wave function psi is a complex function, but the probability density is always a real. Here the every complex function psi can be written as psi is equal to a plus ib. Here a and b are the real number. Okay, the complex conjugate of psi is equal to psi star is equal to a minus ib. Okay, here complex conjugate you have to take. Now the mod of psi square means psi star psi is equal to a square minus I square b. What is I square? I square is equal to minus 1. Therefore, this equation is get a square plus b square. This is the real values, real positive quantity. Now the wave function psi must be satisfy the following condition. First condition is that it must be single value at each and every point. Second, it must not have the infinite value at any point. Third one is that it is the absolute value at all point must be, that is the volume integral. Volume integral means a triple integral minus infinity to infinity, and psi stars xyz and psi xyz dx dy dz is equal to 1. Is equal to 1 means it is 100%. The particle is located at particular volume at particular time, that is 100%, that is equal to 1, means definitely particle is found at particular point. Okay, as it is called single value at every point, that is minus infinity to infinity psi star psi d tau is equal to 1, that is the volume integral. Okay, this is about the significance of the wave function, how the wave function is work. This is about in this video I have explained what is the de Broglie's wave. Means de Broglie's matter wave. Matter waves, every matters or every particles is moving, it associated with wave, that is wavelength lambda is equal to h upon p. And next you have see what is the wave function psi. Wave function psi is the characteristics of the de Broglie's wave. Okay, next you have seen here the what is the physical significance of this wave function psi, you have to see in this video. Okay, thank you very much.